Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Art with Craft. So I am going to tell you how I have made this roseberry table at home. If you want to make a coffee table, then you can make one. Whatever material I have used in this, I will mention in the description box. And if you have any query, any question, then you can type in the comment box. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So let's talk about how I have made this coffee table, and I hope you will like it. So here I have a wood texture. Its size is 16 inches and its weight is 3 kgs. So first of all, I will cure the wood texture by mixing Fevicol and water so that whatever color we put on it, so the wood texture does not absorb it. And after that, keep it to dry at a room temperature. After dried surface, I am applying white acrylic color on the wood surface and let it dry in a room temperature. Till then, I apply Vaseline on its backside so that when I pour resin, so the extra resin can be removed easily. So now I am applying Vaseline on my wood texture. Now I am measuring resin and hardener, and I'll take resin and hardener 2:1 ratio. So here I am taking resin 120 grams and hardener 60 grams, and will mix it for 3 to 4 minutes so that it gets mixed well. Now ready to add pigments. So here I am taking Resin berry pigment, and I'll take 3 blocks initially. 1 and 2 blocks and 3, and I'm going to mix it well so that its small pigments mix well and properly. Now I'm ready to pour this resin on my project. You can see it's such a beautiful pigment, such a beautiful color. This belongs to pink family. So I'll cover it well all around with the help of the stick and hands. It is very important to cover it entire round circle well. There are some bubbles here, so I remove it with the help of hot gun properly. Now let it dry at a room temperature, and it will look like a glass after drying. So it's completely dry and it's looked like a glass. So first I'll make a raw flower design which I want on this texture. Now I'll design flower on it with a white paint marker, and before paint I'll shake it well and release the ink of the marker pen so that it moves in a one flow. So my first step is done, and for the outline I'll do it with the golden marker so that the combination of white and golden looks good. So I'm done with my flower design. Now it's ready to dry. So let it dry for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes we'll cover it with the transparent resin. So here I'm taking 120-gram resin and hardener 60 gram and mix it well around 3 to 4 minutes so it get mixed well. Now pouring transparent resin and cover it well from all the sides with the help of sticks and gloves. And it is very important to cover it entire round circle. Leave it to dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, it is ready to use.